GM guys, so let's look at how we are going to connect our Telegram wallet, our Ton wallet to this Hamster Kombat mini app. Now if you go to airdrop, you will get to see that this connect your Ton wallet has been made available. So all you need to do is click on it, then click on connect Ton wallet. So when you click on connect Ton wallet, it will ask you open wallet in Telegram or choose any of these wallets, either Ton Keeper, my Ton wallet, Ton Up. Is either you use your Ton Keeper wallet or you use wallet in Telegram. So any of the two are okay. Now this is what Ton Keeper looks like. If you go to Play Store and download Ton Keeper, this is what Ton Keeper wallet looks like. So what I will do is I'll be connecting the wallet in my Telegram to this Hamster Kombat account. So all I need to do is click on open wallet in Telegram. So you wait for it to load. So if you have an existing wallet, you can say connect an existing wallet. But if you don't have an existing wallet, you can just say start exploring Ton. Are you with me? So you can say start exploring Ton. So when you click on start exploring Ton, you are about to a wallet will be created for you. Do you get that? A wallet will be created for you. So it will ask you backup via email or backup via backup manually. I will advise you backup with your email in case you want to restore your account anytime. You can just back it up with your get it back with your email. So click on backup via email. Input your email address. I will input my email address. Then the code will be sent to your email address, the one you input. So let me open my email, then let's wait for verification code here. So here we go, 532855. So once you back up your wallet, so click on view Ton space. So it will tell you this is Hamster Kombat want to connect to your Ton space wallet. Click on connect wallet, and voila, the wallet has been connected. Then you can see that the wallet will start appearing here. So you've connected your wallet. You will see that it has checked it, showing or indicating that your wallet has been connected. If you click on it and click on the wallet, I believe you can still maybe reconnect the wallet to another wallet later, but at the moment you can only connect it, and that's all. So in case you have any question on how to go about that, you can just ask. But if you want to import a wallet phrase into Ton Keeper wallet, for easy sending, receiving of tokens, either Ton, Hamster coin, or not coin, or any other coin that is on Telegram, that is on Ton ecosystem, all you need to do is close your Hamster Kombat, go back, then click on this three line at the top left corner, then click on wallet. When you click on wallet, you're going to see Ton space beta. If you click on Ton space beta, this is the wallet you just connected to Hamster Kombat. So if you click on this and go to settings, you should be able to see your wallet phrase. Yeah, this is the wallet phrase. If you click on this tap to view phrase, if you click on it, it will show your wallet phrase. Now that wallet phrase contains 24 phrases, that is different words that are the security of your wallet. If you expose it to anybody, the person will have access to your wallet without your consent, and the person can carry out transaction when they notice that you have some tokens or coins that are worth it in your wallet. Now if you copy it, if you view it and copy it, you can import it to Ton Keeper. If you are just setting up Ton Keeper for the first time, this is what it looks like. Sorry, this is what it looks like if you are just setting up a new Keeper for the first time. You will click on, if you open it for the first time, it will ask you, is it a new wallet or an existing wallet? So click on existing wallet, then it will request you to put these 24 phrases into this. So all you just need to do is, when you review this wallet, you'll be able to copy everything that you have on your Telegram phrase on your Space wallet. So once you copy it, just come to this place, then click on paste. It will paste all the phrases that has been copied from Space wallet to Keeper. Then after that, just import it, and you'll get to see that you've imported the same wallet you have on Telegram. You've imported it to your Keeper wallet, and you can be able to carry out transactions on Keeper wallet easily. So that's all I have for you. If you have any question concerning how to go about this, or you are experiencing some kind of difficulties, you can ask in the comment section, or you can come to my DM and get your answer. So that will be all for now. GM.